Welcome to New York, Dora! Hello, Jess. I'm Dora. So glad to meet you. Hurry up! Let's come inside. Hello, my name is Dora. I'm 23 years old. I am a fresh graduate with a major in journalism. I was born and raised in Boston, a very beautiful harbor city. Boston is best known for its famous baked beans, Fenway Park, and the Boston Marathon, and so on. The city is so amazing, and I'm very proud of it. You know what? In my free time, I usually play guitar, learn about film production, and hang out with friends. How about you? What do you often do in your free time? I'm sure you all have very interesting hobbies.
Right now, it's still kind of
Since I was small, I have always dreamt about being a successful reporter. That's why I decided to move to New York City to pursue that dream. Today is the first day I have been to New York City and met my flatmate, Jess, to start a new life. Stay tuned to see what experiences that I can gain through this journey. What a beautiful day!
Hey, Dora. I'm Mike, Jess's boyfriend. She's making dinner for us, so I'm here to pick you up.
Yes, I'm Dora. Nice to meet you, Mike.
Oh, you seem to have a very heavy suitcase. Let me help you.
I do. Most of them are my equipment for reporting, and also my guitar.
Jess told me that you wanted to become a reporter.
Exactly. One of my motivations to move to New York City. The city is just so fabulous.
It is. I hope that you like it. Please, follow me this way.
Yes, thank you.
Your room number is 10A, so it'll take a bit of time with all these belongings.
Thank you for helping me.
You're welcome. Here we go.
Oh, the smell is so good. Jess must be very good at cooking.
She really is.
Welcome to New York, Dora! Hello, Jess. I'm Dora. So glad to meet you.
Hurry up! Let's come inside.
Sure, thank you. Finally, we've gotten to meet each other. What are you making, Jess? It smells so good.
Oh, I'm making Russian salad, mashed potatoes, and steaks for tonight.
Wow, that's so cool, Jess. I'm so clumsy when it comes to cooking. I bet I can learn a lot of things from you.
Sure. Don't be a stranger, Dora. Mike and I are your friends now. Yeah, we're very happy to have you here. Jess is dying for a flatmate like you.
Aw, thank you two so much. What do you do?
You probably won't believe this, but I'm a model
with a huge love for food and making food. Wow, how interesting, Jess. You are a model? No wonder why you have a really nice figure.
Oh, stop it. I love your hair. You don't know how many times I wanted to curl my hair like yours. Yeah, Jess is always obsessed with curly hair. Even though the last time she had curly hair, things were not so nice.
Oh my god, Mike, that was a mistake. How is that, guys?
Jess overused the curling machine, so her hair got burnt.
I had to use wigs for almost a year, and that's so annoying. It's so terrible, isn't it? How about you, Mike? What is your job?
I'm a computer scientist. I work with computers and computational systems. He sounds like such a badass when saying about computer stuff, right?
Yeah, computer science is a very competing and rewarding field now. I'm also very curious about how you two met. Fill me in on your story.
I met Jess 2 years ago at a restaurant while she, her family, and friends were celebrating her birthday. The moment I stepped in that Chinese restaurant, I fell head over heels with her right off the bat. Jess was the most beautiful girl in the room that day.
Mike, that's sweet. What's your side of the story, Jess?
Well, I didn't really have an impression for him at first. But after our first date, I know that Mike is the right one for me. Yeah, I said, Jess, I'm a computer scientist. I know pretty much everything about computers. That's enough for me already. Now I'd love to know more about you.
I was feeling like what he said was the sincerest thing I had ever heard in my entire life. We've been together ever since. You are relationship goals.
Thank you, Dora. By the way, how is your family in Boston doing?
They're doing pretty good. My parents used to work as hospital staff, but now they're loyal members of the dancing club.
Glad to hear that. We love dancing too, Dora.
We can all go dancing when your parents come visiting you here in New York.
That's a good idea.
My parents are going to love that so much.
Dora, I think we should go see your room now. Follow me, girl.
Oh, yes, please do.
This is your room. This is your closet where you can put your clothes and belongings. We will share the same bathroom.
Yes, I see.
I'll be outside in case you need anything. Make yourself at home because it's your room and you're home now.
Thank you so much, Jess.
Oh, don't forget that we're having a party to welcome you tonight.
I won't. I'll be there to help you with the meal real quick.
Don't worry about it, girl. I got Mike. Let's just take a rest, relax, and have a bath if you wish. We'll see each other again at 8:30. Is that fine for you, Dora?
More than fine.
See you, Jess. See you.